Are you ready to transform your home into a space that feels fresh, modern, and stylish? A home makeover doesn't always require major renovations. Sometimes the right products can completely change the vibe. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the essentials for the perfect makeover? From functional furniture to eye-catching decor, let's explore the 10 best products you need for a stunning home transformation. Number 1. Smart lighting system. Lighting is one of the most underrated elements when it comes to a home makeover. Smart lighting systems like Philips Hue or Li-FX allow you to control every aspect of lighting, from brightness to color, with just a tap on your smartphone. Imagine adjusting the lighting based on your mood or time of day. Soft, warm tones for cozy evenings, and bright white light for productivity during the day. With dimming options, voice control, and even syncing to music or movies, smart lighting can dramatically alter the ambiance of any room. And the best part? It's energy efficient, which helps lower electricity bills over time. Number 2. Area rugs. An area rug does more than just cover the floor. It sets the tone for the entire room. Whether you're looking to add warmth to hardwood floors or break up large spaces, a well-chosen rug can anchor your furniture and add texture, color, and pattern. If your living room or bedroom feels bland, introducing a statement rug with bold geometric designs or intricate patterns can instantly boost the visual appeal. In smaller rooms, neutral tones and simple designs can make the space feel more expansive. Plus, rugs can be switched out seasonally or when you want a quick refresh, giving your home endless flexibility. Number 3. Accent, wall paint, or wallpaper. If you want to give a room a fresh look without a full-scale repainting project, consider creating an accent wall. Painting one wall a bold, contrasting color can introduce a stunning focal point. Deep greens, navy blues, or even rich terracotta shades are popular choices for modern home makeovers. For a more dramatic effect, opt for wallpaper with intricate patterns, such as tropical prints, florals, or metallic textures. The great thing about an accent wall is its versatility. It's easy to change if you decide to update your decor down the road, and it requires minimal effort compared to a full room redo. Number 4. Modular shelving. Storage is often a challenge in home design, but modular shelving systems solve this problem with style and practicality. These customizable units allow you to mix and match shelving sections to create unique storage solutions tailored to your space. Modular systems like IKEA's Kallax or String Furniture's shelving system give you the freedom to stack, arrange, and even wall mount shelves to display your favorite books, decorative items, or plants. Beyond functionality, they add a sense of order and sophistication to any room. Whether you need storage for a cozy nook or an entire wall, modular shelving is adaptable and chic. Number 5. Multifunctional furniture. In modern homes where space is often at a premium, multifunctional furniture is a game changer. Think of pieces that serve dual purposes, like a sofa bed that can double as a guest bed or a coffee table with hidden storage compartments. These items are designed to maximize space without compromising on style. One popular option is an extendable dining table that can seat just your family on a regular day, but expands for larger gatherings. Similarly, ottomans with built-in storage can hide away clutter while serving as additional seating or a footrest. These products are perfect for small apartments or any home where efficiency meets aesthetics. Number 6. Wall art or mirrors. No home makeover is complete without some attention to your walls. Art and mirrors not only fill blank spaces, but also introduce personality and depth to your interiors. Large framed artwork can create a focal point, whether you choose abstract pieces, modern photography, or personal artwork that reflects your style. On the other hand, mirrors, especially oversized ones, are an excellent way to make smaller rooms feel more spacious by reflecting light. A statement mirror above a console or fireplace instantly enhances a room's sense of luxury and elegance while adding a decorative touch. Number 7. Houseplants and planters. If you want to breathe new life, literally, into your home, houseplants are a must. Greenery is a great way to soften harsh lines in a room and introduce a natural element. Fiddle leaf figs, monstera plants, or succulents are popular options that can thrive indoors. Pair them with sleek, modern planters in ceramic, terracotta, or metal finishes to create a cohesive look. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, houseplants have been shown to improve air quality and promote a sense of calm, making them a great addition to spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, or even home offices. Number 8. Smart home devices. A modern home makeover wouldn't be complete without some tech upgrades. Devices like Amazon Echo, Google Nest, or smart thermostats bring convenience to your fingertips. With voice-controlled assistants, you can automate tasks like turning off the lights, locking doors, adjusting the thermostat, or even playing music throughout your home. Smart devices also improve your home's security and energy efficiency. For example, a Ring doorbell or Nest Cam allows you to monitor your property remotely, providing peace of mind whether you're at work or on vacation. These devices blend seamlessly into your lifestyle and home design, making them a must-have in any modern home. Number 9. Textured throw pillows and blankets. Nothing says cozy like layers of soft textiles, and throw pillows and blankets are an easy way to achieve this effect. Choose a variety of textures like chunky knits, velvet, faux fur, or linen to create depth and visual interest. These items allow you to switch up your decor with the seasons. Opt for lightweight linen and cotton in summer, then transition to heavier knits and fleece in winter. The beauty of throw pillows and blankets is that they are budget-friendly and simple to update, allowing you to refresh your living room or bedroom without committing to more permanent changes. Number 10. Statement lighting fixtures. The right lighting fixture can completely change the look and feel of a room. Whether you opt for a grand chandelier, a sleek pendant light, or modern industrial-style fixtures, lighting serves as both a functional and decorative element. Consider placing a statement light in your dining room, over a kitchen island, or as a focal point in your entryway. Fixtures with bold shapes, interesting materials like brass or copper, or unique designs can tie your space together and draw attention to key areas. And there you have it, the 10 best products that can turn your home into the stylish, functional, and inviting space you've always dreamed of. From smart lighting to statement furniture, these items offer an easy way to elevate your home without the need for a major renovation. So, which product will you be adding to your home makeover first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips, ideas, and inspiration to keep your home looking its best. See you in the next one.